The hour is drawing near. The Kaiser's throne stands tall and proud, yet trembling full of fear. The streets are red, the flags fly high, but shadows fill the skies. For Shireroth's fire and now killing strife, now tears our land with lies. O Kaiseress, we cry to thee amidst this broken dawn. We march as one, our banners raised, though hope seems nearly gone. Beneath your gaze we take our stand, our chains shall be undone. For freedom's flame shall light the way, until this war is won. The Union's claws reach far and wide, with Benasha's darkened hand. They sought to break our spirit's flame and claim our sacred land. Yet we, the loyal, stand as one in fields of blood and steel. For Shireroth shall not bow down, we fight, we shall not kneel. O Kaiseress, we cry to thee amidst this broken dawn. We march as one, our banners raised, though hope seems nearly gone. Beneath your gaze we take our stand, our chains shall be undone. For freedom's flame shall light the way, until this war is won. The king hath turned, the blood's been spilled, but justice will arise. The streets of Shireroth shall roar with the people's battle cries. The shattered chains of tyranny defy the Union's sword. For every rebel heart shall beat, for Shireroth restored. We fight for those who came before, and those who follow still. For every mountain, every stream, for every vale and hill. The Kaiseress, she watches o'er, her heart a shield so bright. Her children rise to end this strife and bring eternal light. Final Kaiseress, we cry to thee amidst this broken dawn. We march as one, our banners raised, though hope seems nearly gone. Beneath your gaze we take our stand, our chains shall be undone. For freedom's flame shall light the way, until this war is won. Yes, freedom's flame shall light the way. Shireroth, we fight as one.